Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm giving you 10 powerful side hustles that you can start with exactly $0. Yep, no upfront investment, no credit card, no college degree, just your time, internet, and hustle. And the best part? These can earn you real dollars, even if you live outside the US. So stick with me till the end, because number 10 might just change your life forever. Let's dive in. First up, freelance writing. If you can write a simple blog post, an email, or a product description, you can start making money today. Businesses are constantly hiring writers on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and People Per Hour. Start by offering low prices to build reviews, then scale up. Eventually, you can charge $50, even $100 per article. Remember, words are money when you learn how to use them. And the more you write, the better and faster you'll become. Next, become a virtual assistant, or VA. It sounds fancy, but it really just means helping someone run their day-to-day online tasks. Replying to emails, managing calendars, organizing data, booking meetings. Things every busy entrepreneur needs. You don't need a degree. You just need to be dependable, organized, and able to communicate clearly. Many VA gigs pay in dollars, and you can work from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Do a great job, and clients often turn into long-term, stable income. Here's a game changer: selling digital products. This is passive income at its finest. Create and sell digital items like ebooks, Notion templates, resume templates, or social media planners. Even simple PDF checklists can sell for $5, $10, or $50 a pop. And the best part? You create it once, and it sells over and over again. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy make it super easy to list and sell without any upfront cost. You don't need to be a designer, just solve a small problem and package it well. Side hustle number 4, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to earn dollars while you sleep. All you do is promote someone else's product and get a commission for each sale. Amazon has a popular affiliate program. So does ClickBank, ShareASale, Digistore24. Even Canva and Notion have affiliate programs. You can promote on a free blog, Pinterest, Twitter, or by making YouTube shorts. Pick something you use or trust and recommend it. Do this consistently and smartly, and your links can bring in passive income for years. Let's move to number 5, online tutoring. Are you decent at math, English, science, or even just fluent in English? There are platforms that pay you to teach others. Cambly, Preply, and Italki let you teach from your bedroom with just a laptop and a mic. You don't need to be a certified teacher, just someone who's good at explaining and helping. And the pay can be surprising, especially if you specialize or teach popular subjects. Next is print on demand, also known as POD. This means you design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, and more. And a third-party company handles the rest. You never touch the product. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Spreadshirt let you upload designs for free. When someone buys, they print and ship it, and you earn a cut. The better your design or niche, the more you can earn. Even simple text-based shirts like Coffee First or Introvert Energy sell every day. Side hustle 7, become a social media manager. Businesses, influencers, and even local stores need help managing their online presence. If you know how to post Instagram stories, schedule tweets, or edit basic TikToks, you're already ahead. Use tools like Canva, Buffer, or Meta Business Suite to make content and schedule posts. Charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per client per month. And yes, you can manage multiple clients from your phone working from home. Number 8, dropshipping. Sounds complex, right? But it doesn't have to be. With tools like Shopify's free trial and AI-generated product descriptions, you can launch a basic store for almost nothing. You find trending products, list them in your online store, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it directly. You never buy inventory up front. Focus on marketing and keep testing different niches until something works. Start simple, scale smart. 9th on the list, become a voiceover artist. Got a clear or unique voice? There's demand for voices in YouTube videos, TikTok ads, online courses, and audiobooks. You can start with just a smartphone or free mic, a quiet room, and software like Audacity. List your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Voices.com. Even if you don't have a radio voice, there's a niche out there that needs your sound. Finally, number 10, start a YouTube automation channel. Exactly what you're watching right now. Use tools like Filmora's AI, Pictory, or CapCut to create faceless videos using stock footage and voiceovers. You can even outsource writing, editing, and thumbnails. All you need is a profitable niche and consistency. Topics like business, tech, luxury, and health tend to get higher CPMs. And once your videos start getting views, they work for you 24/7. Imagine waking up to passive income every single day, just because your video from 3 months ago is still being watched. And there you have it. 10 side hustles you can start today with $0 upfront. No excuses, no waiting. The world has changed. You don't need permission, a degree, or a big budget. You just need courage, commitment, and action. Pick just one of these ideas. Focus on it for the next 90 days and watch how your life begins to change. Small steps today create big freedom tomorrow. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's build a better future, $1 at a time. You got this.